Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share something very personal with you all. I am going to talk about my first Brazilian wax ever at the ripe age of 45 years old. So why am I sharing this? Well, it's because I believe that there are many women out there who might be feeling a little bit nervous or even intimidated by the idea of getting a Brazilian wax, especially as they get older. And so I hope that my story will help demystify this whole process and make it a little less daunting for anyone who's considering it. Now, if you're not familiar with what a Brazilian wax entails, it's basically a type of waxing that removes all the hair from the front and back of the bikini area, leaving only a thin strip down the middle. It can be quite revealing, and some people may feel uncomfortable with that. But personally, I think it's a great way to feel more confident and sexy. Over the years, I have tried different types of hair removal methods, such as shaving and using creams, but I always ended up feeling self-conscious about the stubble that would grow back in. That's when I decided to try something new and go for a full Brazilian wax. Now, I know that there are some downsides to waxing, like the pain and the possibility of skin irritation. But for me, the benefits outweighed the negatives. And so today, I want to share 16 things I wish I knew before getting my first Brazilian wax. These are honest and unfiltered thoughts that I hope will be helpful for anyone else who is thinking about taking the plunge. No. 1. It's never too late to start. I was 45 years old when I got my first Brazilian wax. And I don't think it's ever too late to start. If you've been thinking about it for a while, just go for it. Number 2. You don't need to shave before your appointment. Some salons might ask you to do this, but it's not necessary. They have special waxes that can handle longer hair. Number 3. Don't be afraid to ask questions. It's important to find a salon that makes you feel comfortable and confident, so don't hesitate to ask any questions you may have during the booking or consultation process. No. For the pain is not as bad as it's made out to be. I was really worried about the pain, but honestly, it was bearable. It feels like a slight pulling sensation rather than a burning one. Number 5. It's not as messy as you think. The wax and the hair are contained in the strip, and the mess is minimal. Just remember to wear dark underwear to your appointment. Number 6. Choose the right wax. There are different types of waxes available, such as hard wax and sugar wax. Hard wax is applied in the direction of hair growth and is removed against the grain. Sugar wax is applied in the opposite direction and removed in the direction of hair growth. Number 7. Go for a soft wax. As a first-timer, I highly recommend going for a soft wax. It's more gentle on the skin and is easier to remove. No. 8. Be prepared to lie down. During the procedure, you'll be asked to lie down and possibly even lift your legs up in the air. Try to relax and take deep breaths to minimize discomfort. Number 9. Don't be shy about the size. If you're concerned about the size of your bikini area, don't be shy about asking for a bigger opening in the middle. A skilled technician should be able to make adjustments without any issues. Number 10. Avoid tanning and makeup. Avoid getting a tan or wearing makeup on the day of your appointment. Both can interfere with the waxing process. Number 11. Exfoliate before your appointment. This will help remove dead skin cells and make the waxing process easier. You can do this by using a gentle scrub or just by scrubbing with a loofah in the shower. Number 12. Don't pluck those pesky hairs. I know it's tempting to pluck any stray hairs that you see, but resist the urge. Plucking can cause ingrown hairs and other complications. Number 13. Aftercare is important. Your skin will be sensitive after the waxing process, so it's important to follow the aftercare instructions carefully. Avoid hot baths and use a gentle cleanser on the area. Number 14. Don't expect perfection. Even though waxing is a precise method of hair removal, it's not perfect. You might still see a few stray hairs here and there. Number 15. It's not painful enough to miss work or other commitments. Some people seem to make a big deal out of how painful waxing is, but I didn't find it to be unbearable. You should be able to go about your day as usual after the procedure. Number 16. If it's your first time, book an appointment for every 4 to 6 weeks. If you're new to waxing, it's best to start with appointments every 4 to 6 weeks. This will give the hair time to grow back in before the next appointment. So there you have it, folks. 16 things I wish I knew before getting my first Brazilian wax at 45. I hope this has been helpful and informative for anyone else who is considering this option. Now I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever gotten a Brazilian wax? How was your experience? Let me know in the comments below. As a woman over 40, I understand that we may feel a little apprehensive about trying new things, especially when it comes to our bodies and how we choose to groom them. But I want to encourage you all to step out of your comfort zones and try something new. Who knows, you might just surprise yourself and discover a whole new world of confidence and self-love. I appreciate all of you for watching this video and supporting me on my channel. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you have already. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and stay true to yourself. Until next time.